Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Ma'am, in responding sa sagot nyo kanina regarding yung naunang statement ni dating Pangulong Duterte, si former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, Attorney Salvador Panelo, said that it's actually the government, the Duterte the Marcos administration that's the biggest spreader of fake news. And I quote yung sinabi niya kanina sa ANC, "It's funny because it's the government, the huge corporation of fake news. For instance, when the police assaulted the KOJC, they were saying the police were not armed. They say there were no blanks in the BICAM report, which was the basis of the enrolled bill that was signed into law." Your comment na po.
So si Attorney Panelo yung nagsabi na
biggest spreader of fake news yung
spreader ng fake news. Unang-una, ang usapan dito ay about the God deserves. Bakit kailangan baguhin? Nagda-divert ba sila? Yung issue tungkol sa KOJC, nasa korte na to. Kung meron mang kasuhan dito, sa korte ito. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung sinabi ni dating Pangulong Duterte patungkol sa gold reserves na walang anumang basihan.
We're talking about is political na yan. Hindi na totoo yan. You go to any human rights advocate, there's nothing that we did. Lahat ng pumasok na pulis, hindi armado.
Ang sinungaling ay kapatid ng magnanakaw.